Hi, Elaine here with WTI. There's some things in life you should always have in packs of 3, and that's Trader Joe's dark chocolate with almonds. I love them because they come in squares that I can just take and break off and make sure I have just the right amount in my mouth. The serving size is 1 bar with only 260 calories. It's a great snack. I try to hide one in the refrigerator so I can have it cold all the time. And I try to have one in my room and one in my bag. It's so delicious. It's creamy. It has the very best chocolate taste ever. You are going to love this chocolate. You are going to be happy that you have the 2 packs of 3 that this comes with. I love it. I know you will too, and that's just my point of view.